your bones, nuclear undertone, feel like a rolling stone. You're gonna like how you feel. You're gonna like how you feel. Can you believe this is real? When you're up on top of the world, you're gonna like how you feel.
On behalf of MBM 2000, the host class for the 2020 AIM Homecoming, I'd like to welcome everyone to today's event, and I'm glad that we had a lot of sign-ups and a lot of people came, and also I'd like to thank the sponsors also for helping us put together this great event for everyone. Thanks.
Hi, this is Derek Ramsey. I want to congratulate AIM for the successful homecoming. Thank you so much, guys, for inviting us to this beautiful golf course. This has got to be one of the best golf courses I've played, so it is indeed a pleasure for me to be here, and thanks so much for inviting us all. Cheers, guys.
You're gonna like how you